Hey guys, how you doing? Tony from Christie's International Real Estate. This is the Mexican division here. We're in the heart of the Riviera Maya. What a beautiful place I'm here to introduce you to. Rancho Paraiso, built on 4.5 hectares. The most spectacular place here in the Riviera Maya. Why don't you come with me? I'll show you guys this beautiful property.